is supper ready.
Dinner is ready, just waiting for your return. In addition, I also assembled a desk lamp according to your request.
Great, I'll be right back. In addition, please adjust the lighting in your home to a comfortable range.
No problem. I'll have everything ready and waiting for your return home.
That's CASBOT 1, nicknamed Wednesday. It's Lenovo's entry point into the rapidly expanding humanoid robotics market. Beijing-based Zhongke Huiling robot technology company developed the new AI robot with funding from the Chinese consumer tech giant. As China aims to manufacture humanoids at scale in 2025 and rule the emerging market by 2027, what differentiates the CASBOT and how does it stack up against the competition? Let's take a look. Zhongke Huiling told 36KR, a Chinese tech news website, the CASBOT's first deployment will be at Lenovo's notebook manufacturing factory. The robot is being trained to perform precise micro-assembly tasks.
那么这款产品据我们了解的是由上游企业研发的一款概念机。你可以看到它这个动作非常的微小，说明它的精度是非常高。
The company says CASBOT is designed to perform tasks that traditional industrial robots can't in flexible manufacturing environments. That's why the humanoid is starting with laptop assembly rather than automotive factories like leading Chinese humanoids by Fourier and UB Tech. At this point, the robots are performing electronics assembly tasks from a stationary base. Its intelligence level is between L3 and L4, which is a transitional state and not yet fully autonomous. Its software is self-developed. The company plans to expand its applications once its AI is fine-tuned. Standing 179 centimeters, or about 5 feet 10 inches tall, the bipedal humanoid has a reported 52 degrees of freedom. The dexterity puts the CASBOT 1 in the same league as other contemporary Chinese humanoid robots like Fourier's GR2, Kepler's Forerunner K2, and Xpeng's Iron. It's also in the same range as NASA's Robonaut R2, which performed precise tasks aboard the ISS as the first humanoid robot in space in 2011. It's on the high end compared to perceived leaders in humanoid robotics today, like Tesla's Optimus and the Figure 2. But Chinese robotics firms emphasize articulation and flexibility much more than their North American counterparts. There are humanoids with much higher degrees of freedom, like Torso 2 by Clone Robotics, which boasts 164, and Kangaroo by the University of Tokyo with 174. Also, the most advanced iterations of Honda's legendary Asimo have 57 degrees of freedom. Honda retired Asimo in 2018. Zhongke Huiling says the first-generation CASBOT excels at delicate tasks thanks to its lightweight hands, which weigh just 800 grams each.
面向精细化作业场景，力求解决灵巧和作业两方面的难点。结构设计方面，我们的灵巧手采用了高紧凑度整机构型及驱传感控系统一体化的仿生设计。
A demo video posted on the Chinese microblogging platform Weibo shows the CASBOT using a tablet, changing a light bulb, fetching items from a refrigerator, and playing a piano. The hands are supported by the robot's AI-driven control system that drives precise and human-like movements. Weighing 60 kilos, the CASBOT 1 runs for about 4 hours on a single charge. Zhongke Huiling boasts the CASBOT's 550 TOPS computing power, which means it can perform 550 trillion operations per second. Some hardware, like chips and sensors, is sourced externally, but critical components like the dexterous hand are self-developed due to the need for refinement in factory assembly scenarios. According to reports, Zhongke Huiling is the first core partner in Lenovo's program that seeks to drive innovation in robotics and artificial intelligence. Lenovo is the only investor listed on Zhongke Huiling's Crunchbase profile. Founded in 2023, Zhongke Huiling filed a patent in January 2024 that describes a method for fine-tuning a robot's camera position for optimal image clarity during industrial defect detection. The company recently relocated to the Zhangguancun Dongsheng Science and Technology Park, a hub for tech innovation. Zhongke Huiling plans to release an upgraded version of the robot, CASBOT 2, in 2025 with enhanced AI and mobility capabilities. Among Chinese humanoids, the CASBOT is perhaps most comparable to Fourier's flagship. Fourier introduced its second-generation humanoid robot, the GR2, in September 2024. The company followed that up with this cheeky footage of the AI-powered robot weight training. In the video, the GR2 goes nuts with a pair of adjustable dumbbells that presumably weigh 6.5 kilos or 14.3 pounds each. While a robot weight training might seem like a farce, it has valuable applications. For example, the GR2 could assist patients performing strength training exercises for physical rehab, which is a particularly strong domain for Fourier. Founded in 2015, Shanghai-based Fourier initially focused on rehab technology. As Fourier gained a reputation for pushing boundaries, the company ventured into humanoid robotics. When Fourier introduced its first-generation humanoid, the GR1, in 2022, they leaned heavily into patient care. The second iteration is notable for its high torque rating and 53 degrees of freedom. Its 360 Newton-meters of torque is enough to lift patients into wheelchairs, move furniture, and operate industrial tools. Fourier says the GR2 has 12 degrees of freedom in its hand. That's the same as NASA's Robonaut R2, which is designed for precise tasks in space. Another Chinese robotics firm, established a decade ago, is also developing a humanoid for precision assembly. This is Jaka K1, a new humanoid robot designed for high-precision tasks ranging from electronics assembly to surgical assistance. China-based Jaka Robotics unveiled the AI robot at the China International Industry Fair in Shanghai. Standing 1.8 meters, the K1 has 29 movable joints and 14 degrees of freedom in its arms. The robot uses high-tech sensors, including depth cameras and touch sensors, to see its surroundings and carefully handle objects. With 6-dimensional force control, the robot feels and reacts to pressure from any direction. This helps the K1 avoid applying too much pressure during delicate tasks. Jaka says the robot learns from its surroundings with its advanced AI, making real-time decisions to adapt as needed. And yet another relatively new Chinese robotics firm is developing fleets of humanoids capable of precision tasks. Wuxi-based Magic Lab just shared this footage of a fleet of its MagicBot humanoid robots at an unnamed factory. The rising startup says the robots are mastering industrial automation tasks like product inspections, material transport, precision assembly, barcode scanning, and inventory management. Magic Lab says the teamwork capabilities redefine collaboration in industrial settings. On the X social media platform, a researcher from Magic Lab said the robots are in the learning phase, not yet able to operate fully autonomously. MagicBots are fully electric, featuring advanced joint motor modules that deliver up to 525 Newton-meters of peak torque. With a combination of power and precision, the robots can handle a range of tasks from delicate operations to heavy lifting. The startup envisions the multitasking robots as end-to-end solutions capable of perceiving and interacting seamlessly with their 360-degree surroundings. Magic Lab says the electric drive system is compact, energy efficient, and sustainable, making it more practical for industrial applications than traditional hydraulics. The robotics industry increasingly favors fully electric designs. Notable examples include Atlas by Boston Dynamics, Tesla's Optimus, Figure 2 by Figure AI, and Tiangong by the Beijing Humanoid Robot Innovation Center, which China has open-sourced to promote wider development. MagicBots feature highly dexterous hands with 6 mini high-torque servo actuators and pressure sensors for sub-millimeter precision. The robots can handle delicate objects, mimicking 70% of human hand gestures. Magic Lab operates under the name Magic Atom Robotics Technology. According to TMT Post, the company is testing its robots' assembly line capabilities at an electronics factory. The startup is also exploring a potential partnership with ByteDance to integrate TikTok's parent company's Doubao large language model to enhance the third-generation robot's AI capabilities. Doubao is much cheaper than other models like OpenAI's GPT-4. It is designed for generating text and images, and also powers advanced video creation tools which could help robots like MagicBot handle creative and communication tasks. Earlier in 2024, Magic Labs' robots gained attention with their ability to dance, somersault, roast marshmallows, and fold clothes. Magic Lab is also developing a robot dog designed to be, quote-unquote, the smartest friend you've ever had. For a deep dive into the Chinese humanoid robots to watch heading into 2025, check the link in the description.